welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Bangalore Metro or Namma Metro is a rapid transit system serving by city of Bangalore, India's second longest operation network in metro network in India. Operation length of 73.75 km just after Delhi Metro. Upon inauguration become first underground metro station in South India. Namma Metro has mixed underground to the grade elevated station. Out of the operation 66 metro station, Namma Metro was the October 2023. 57 elevated station, 8 underground station and 1 at grade station. System runs standard gauge tracks. Namma Metro train is purple line and green line. Overview: owner Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited (BMRCL). Local Bangalore. Transit type rapid transit. Line number: operation purple line, green line. Under construction: yellow line, pink line, blue line and under planning orange line. Under planning color not confirmed. Silver line, red line. Number of stations 66. Daily ridership average of 7 lakh. Onward ridership 174.22 million 2020. Chief Executive Annual Parvis MD. Headquarter Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Website bmrc.co.in. Operation began operation 20 October 2011. 12 years ago. Train length 6 coaches. Headway 3 to 15 minutes. Technical system length operation 73.75 km. 45.83 mi. Under construction PH 2, 2A, 2B 98.26 km. 61.06 mi. Number of track 2. Track gauge 1435 mm. 4 feet 8 plus half inch standard gauge. Electrification 750 volt. DC third rail. Average speed 35 km per hour. 32 mph. Top speed 80 km per hour. 50 mph. Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited (BMRCL) joint venture Government of India, State Government of Karnataka, agency building, operating and expanding Namma Metro network. Service operated by daily between 5 and 24 and running with the headway varying between 5 to 15 minutes. Train initially began with 3 coaches but were later converted to 6 coaches and riders grow. Power supplied by 750 volt and direct current through the third rail. As the October 2023 metro system has been average daily ridership about 7,10,000 passenger. History section needed additional upper the state town planning department had recommended looking mass rapid transit project metro for Bangalore city way back 1977. High level of committee has also agreed metro study was warranted and team from Southern Railway SR was commissioned to this 1981. Southern Railway team recommended 2 corridor metro 80 km 50 mi length addition of the commuter line link. BMRTL choose route to exit. It was replaced by Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited (BMRCL) construction. Phase 1 under the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited (DMRC) prepared submitted detailed project report. First phase Namma Metro is May 2003 and DPR was 33 km 21 mi. Network with 32 station. Phase 1 project using standard gauge and project was approved by Union Cabinet 25 April 2006. Foundation stone construction phase 1 was led by Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh 24 June 2006 at the Navayoga Engineering College Limited was awarded by first contractor to construct bridge 1 east-west corridor 2006. Civil construction first section of reach 1 and the purple line between Bayahanahalli and Mahatma Gandhi Road commenced 15 April 2007. DPR Northern Extension as the Southern Extension at Road of submitted October 7, June 2008 respectively. With these extension total route length by phase 1 become 42.3 km 26.3 mi. Objective to conduct metro to outer ring road to northern and southern end of the also cover industrial area and the northwest of thereby providing better connectivity increasing ridership. October 2008 Government of Karnataka approved extension which would cost by additional rupees 1763 crore $250 million. Underground section both line phase 1 and tunnel section city center which was first metro tunnel build. South India construction of underground section phase 1 commenced by during late 2012. Delay was due to cancellation initial tender call during year 2008. Entire DPR had been revised. Bid rebates by were too high. Second round of tendering was done by late 2009 with gigantic majestic and interchange station by separate package. Bid were awarded by tunnel section during 2011 and construction began 2012 and a tunnel boring machine located approximately 60 feet 18 m below underground level of half diameter 5.5 meter 18 feet in 1 and 5 meter 16 feet in 5 in apart from DPM were Nikadam and Margarita, Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari. Tunnel boring underground section UG1 on the east-west corridor completed 17 March 2014. Track work at third rail electrification work were completed on the 4.8 km 3.0 mi west of tunnel and purple line between Coupon Park, Magadi Road, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited began trial of 23 November 2015. Entire stretch purple line was opened by 29 April 2016. Tunnel boring underground section UG2 on the north-south corridor was completed on 23 September 2016. Tunneling faced major delay when the cutter head by DBM Godavari was broken by spare have to avoided. Trial run by 4 km 2.5 mi east-west of tunnel green lines between Sampage Road of National College were commenced by 31 March 2017. Entire stretch green line was opened 19 June 2017. This completing phase 1 project. Namma Metro Green Line train. After missing deadline, Namma Metro first section reach 1 had finally opened by public 20 October 2011. It was overwhelming response for public at commencement operation. As per BMRCL, source within first 3-day operation, 1,69,019 people rode up the Rod or Metro. At the end of 4th day, about 2 lakh passenger and already committed Namma Metro first 12-day cumulative revenue of 1 crore. Northern section green line reached the 3A, 3B was initially scheduled by open by end of 2012. However, it was delayed by finally opened 1 March 2014. BMRCL MD Pradeep Singh and started the 1,000 passenger travel line on the opening day. First month operation 7.62 lakh people use the line and average of 24,605 daily generating revenue 1.5 crore US dollar 2,10,000. First underground section purple line commenced operation 30 April 2016. Those providing through the connectivity between the east and west of the city. Second underground section along with the southern reaches reach 4A was opened 18 June 2017. Once east and west reaches were interconnected with the opening underground section, purple line ridership surged hugely and after north-south underground section was opened simultaneously with the elevated reach 4A and south. Network provided connectivity in all 4 directions. Interchanging between line of further increased ridership. Ridership kept increasing was around 4,50,000 daily and September 9. Phase 1 line section. Phase 1 line comprises 2 lines spanning length 42.30 km 26.28 mi which about 8.82 km 5.48 mi underground and about 33.48 km 20.80 mi elevated by these are 40 station phase 1 which is 7 station are underground 1 crane and 32 are elevated. First phase project was initially budgeted by 6,395 crore US dollar 875 million with the route extension cost of escalation was later revised by 11,609 crore US dollar 1.6 billion. There were many delays during construction. The result there are versus several postponed. Difficult geological condition below ground with a mixed soft soil with the groundwater level, hard granite and large of boulder was major impediment. Tunnel boring. Major delay was that due to broken cutter head of DBM Godavari which was spearhead by order from Italy containing 2 lines aggregating 42.3 km 26.3 mi was completed and service opened by public 19 June 2017. Final cost for phase 1 were 14,405 crore. Phase 2 state government accorded approval of preparation detailed project report DPR and phase 2 was DMRC 14 January 2011. High power committee HPC gave in principle clearance preceded by with phase 2 July 2011. Karnataka government gave principal approval phase 2 under Namma Metro project 3 January 2012. However, there are very delay of DPR preparation, hence approval from central government. Phase 2 was cleared by Expenditure Finance Committee EFC. August 2013 Union Cabinet Finance Council had approved by plan phase 2 on 3rd January 2014. Estimated total cost phase 2 was around the 26,405 crore US dollar 3.7 billion at 2011 to 12 price level. State government would contribute 9,000 crore US dollar 1.3 billion. Project cost of 26,405 at 2011 and 12 price level setup escalate about 5% every year with increasing cost of input. Union government will share the part of cost escalation due to increase central levies with the state. BMRCL will have to bear any other escalation. Total project cost of phase 2 estimated reach the at least 30,000 rupees crore or US dollar 4.2 billion dollar. Start construction construction. October 2018, Deputy Chief Minister G. Parameshwar stated cost of phase 2 would be around the 32,000 crore rupees $4.5 million and phase 2 span length of 72.095 to 13.79 km, 44.798 to 8.569 mi, underground 0.48 km, 0.30 mi, at grade of 57.825 km, 35.93 mi, elevated under R62 station network, which 12 are underground. Phase 2 index extension of 2 phase 1 line, both direction whereas construction of 2 new lines. South end green line will be extended by the Silk Institute, previously named the Anjanapura Long Kanakapura Road, and north end of the Nagasandra, previously named BIC, at the NH4 eastern end of the purple line will extend from Apanahalli to Whitefield at the west end of from Mysore Road to Kengeri, new 18.82 km, 11.69 mi, long fully elevated line from RV Road to Bamasandra will be constructed passing through Electronic 60. Second new line will be 21.25 km, 13.20 m. Kalina Agrahara to Nagavara line mostly underground 13.79 km or 8.57 mi. Also the 6.98 km, 4.34 mi elevated section from under 0.48 km, 0.30 mi at grade section. There are 18 stations of the line, which is 12 underground and 6 are elevated. Unlike phase 1, all stations being built, phase 2 will be where bus bay and our parking facility. Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board KIADP responsible acquiring land from phase 2. It was estimated 102.02 hectare, 250.1 acre land would be required from phase 2 including phase 2A. By April 2017, BMRCL has already spent 5,000 crore on land acquisition. Construction work began on south extension green line from Yelachanapalli to Silk Institute 6.29 km, 3.91 mi. At the west extension purple line from Mysore Road to Kangeri 8.81 km, 5.47 mi. By October 16, construction work on west extension purple line was awarded by 2 package rupees 660 crore will be green line south extension are awarded by single package 508.86 crore. On the construction work on north extension green line Nagasandra to Medavara east extension of purple line from the Pevanahalli to Whitefield began in July 2017. 3.031 km, 1.883 mi. North extension estimated cost of 247.41 crore, while the east extension 15.5 km awarded for 1,300 crore. $180 billion. Construction yellow line new line from Vidyalaya Road to Bomasandra in 3 packages began post awarding tender in November 2017. First package 6.418 km, 3.988 mi was stretched from Bomasandra to Hosa Road station, including depot entry line to Hegokadi and depot 5 metro station. Second package was 6.38 km, 3.96 mi stretch Hosa Road to Boomnahalli, previously HSR layout. Both packages were be awarded 1,750 crore $250 million. Thailand-based ITT Cementation India. Third package was the stretch RV Road, Boomnahalli, previously HSR layered 6.34 km long elevated section under 5 station, rupee 797.29 crore $110 million. Include construction road gum rail flyover, road widening and allied works. Construction of 7.5 km elevated section of new pink line between Kalina Agrahar and Avarikre, previously Swath Road Cross station. Estimated cost of 575.52 crore $81 million. Began post tendering February 2018. Tender include construction elevated viaduct, 5 station and car depot, Kothanur and depot. Underground section. BMRC initially floated tender for the construction 13.9 km underground section 4 package during June 2017. However, tender were cancelled. All the bids received from the too higher by nearly 70%. Rupees 8,553.45 crore $1.28 billion when compared to BMRC estimated total Rs 5,407 and 556 crore, about the $760 billion. Second round tendering resulted in tender being awarded 3 films during March-June period 2019. One of the film L&T won 2 bids. Total awarded tunneling tender by underground section was rupees 5,925.95 crore $812 million. Pre-tunneling construction work building station began May 2019. L&T tunnel boring using TPM began in July 2020. L&T tunnel boring work with the other two contractors at the ITT Cement Afghan commenced during 2021. Phase 2A. September 2016, government announced new 18 km 11 mi line connecting Silk Board with KR-Bura would be including Phase 2A and Phase 2A project. Phase 2 would be along with the eastern half of Outer Ring Road and proposed to have 13 stations. Silk Board, HSR Layout, Agra, Ippalur, Bellandar, Kadubu-Sanahalli, Kodibi-Sanahalli, Marthahalli, ISRO, Dadanagandi, DRDO Sports Complex, Saraswati Nagara, previously Magadevapura. KR-Bura cost was estimated 4,202 crore. BMRCL prepared detailed project referred by proposed and submitted DPR to be state government 28 October 2016. Phase 2A was approved by State Cabinet 1 March 2017. ORR Metro Line, Blue Line will be interchanging station with the extended Purple Line, KR-Bura with the proposed RV Road, Bhumasandra Yellow Line at Silk Board. Tender ORR Metro Line East were cancelled during February 2018. IL and FS emerged the lowest bidder of all package. However, tender were quashed by due to cash flow and problem bankruptcy and proceeding by the firm. Second round tendering was done by during December 2019. Bid were received from multiple firms during March 2020. These two packages, first package including 2.84 km ramp of flyover to Central Silk Board Junction, addition 9.859 km via duct and with 6 elevated station. Second package was for the 8.377 km viaduct with 7 elevated station, 1.097 km depot line of and 0.30 km packet track. Phase 2B. There had been proposed to build 33 km 21 mi high speed rail line built from MG Road to Kempegowda International Airport KA. Cost of 5,767 crore rupees $810 million. This was be executed independent SP, but later it was decided to BMRC would be managed. This project under regular metro line fever of halts would be bullet instead of high speed rail. Travel time between city to airport would be less. Early February 2012, central government had also requested BMRC start work airport link during phase 2 itself. Following these during September 2016, suggestions were invited from public to choose any 9 possibly extension route from existing and proposed metro line to the airport. Proposed extension route had been average length of 30 km, 19 mi, cost of estimated range between 4,500 rupees crore and 7,000 crore, 25.9 km, 16.1 mi. Extension from Nagavara via Kenar and Bangalore was shortest, while the 35.4 km, 22.0 mi. Extension from Yeshwantapura from Kannur and Bangalore was the longest proposed route. BMRC received 1,300 response from public. 25.9 km extension from Kalina Agragara Nagavara line where Kannur and Bangalore Airport emerges most popular choice. Since Bangalore International Airport Limited BIAL forward underground construction from southern side airport due to security would be have passed benefit the airport second way shortest route option. Extended pink line from Nagavara directly north were eliminated from alternate route of preceding North Rail RK Nagar and then tunnel west by Chakur was explored. When even this could be obstacle of high pressure petroleum pipeline was passing through the originally proposed route. Bangalore Development Minister KJ George announced 12 May 2017 government had finalized Nagavara Ramakrishna Gates Nagar Jagur Yelahanga route airport. 10 January 2019 State Cabinet approved change alignment of proposed metro line from airport. New line would be begin Rajapura KR-Bura and aligned to along with the northern part of ORR passing Nagarvara and Jagur before heading toward the airport along Ballari Road. Line would be 39.8 km, 24.7 mi, long about 8 km, 5.0 mi, longer than route previously proposed. Estimated cost of 10,584 crore $1.5 billion, almost twice much be previous route estimated 5,950 crore of $830 million. Union Cabinet cleared too much awaited lines of Bangalore Metro Phase 2A and 2B 20 April 2021. Phase 2A and Phase 2B line total distance 58.19 km and were approved cost of Rs 14.788 crore. Project ridership of both these line 2026. Estimated cost is 7.7 lakh. Construction airport line expect begin October 2021. January 2023 there was accident and the reinforcement cage of under construction metro pier will be woman soft engineer Deshashwini Sulka had one begun HPR layout which led by eventual death. Announcement financial assistance 20 lakh. Chief Minister Beswaraj Bommai also announced separate compensation Rs 10 lakh from each of death from Chief Minister Relief Fund. Phase 2, 2A and 2B line section. Phase 2 originally involved extending 4 reaches, 2 line all direction and 2 new lines, yellow line and pink line. ORR East line was later included. Phase 2A followed by airport line, continuation of ORR East line. Phase 2B line was later named Blue line. Construction Phase 2A was been divided into 2 elevator section package construction. Phase 2B has been invited good. 3 elevator section package airports have not been included. Tender of likely by Kempegowda International Airport. Future expansion Phase 3 124 km 77 mi. Phase 3 by initially proposed May 2016. Certain significant sections were proposed. Phase 3 were included. Phase 2 Phase 2A, Phase 2B, plan where Phase 3 were hence it based. 7 March 2020 it was announced by 2 corridor totaling 44.65 km would be bullet fully elevated line under PPP mode of Kambapura, Jayaprakash Nagara, 4th PH along with the ORR based the Hosanagalli budget on 4 March 2022 during budget speech of state government another new corridor spanning 35 km of the Sarjapura was announced to be in Phase 3B. Chief Minister stated detailed project report DPR would be prepared. Proposed corridor estimate cost of around 15,000 crore rupees. 2 corridor announced by previously were estimated cost 13,500 crore. Phase 3 will be likely to be total about 80 km. Proposed route of under Phase 3 length orange Kambapura JP Nagar 4th PH ORR West 32.2 km silver 3A Hosagalli Hada Bajar under 12.6 km red of 3B Kambapura Sarjapura 35 km total 79.8 km. Other proposal 10 March 2023 Government of Karnataka announced further extensions and routes of new corridor costing 27,000 rupees cross would be 59 km length of system. There was also been proposal inner ring metro line recommended Indian Institute of Science IISc and included comprehensive mobility plan CMP 2019 and the government of Tamil Nadu south the extension of yellow line from Bomasandra Hosur railway station located Hosur town near the Karnataka Tamil Nadu border. Karnataka government has advised Tamil Nadu government to conduct feasibility study of own cost, progress construction line terminus length of station expected work completion date green line Nagasandra Madavara 3.44 km 3 December 2023 yellow line Rashtriya Vidyalaya road and the Bomasandra 19.15 km 16 February 2024 pink line Kalina Agragara Nagavara 21.25 km 17 December 2025 blue line Central Silk Board Krishna Rajapura 19.75 km 13 June 2026 blue line Krishna Rajapura Kempegowda International Airport 38.44 km 17 June 2026 total Phase 2 2A 2B 105.88 km 68 include 2 airport station network. At the purple line will be aligned east to west and connect Whitefield east of the Chalagatta southwest. Line 43.45 km 27 mi long has 37 stations. It elevated both of east and west side. East of the 4.8 km 3.0 mi underground section. Middle line be passed through the primary activity center of the city Whitefield ITPL Krishna Rajapura MG Road Majestic Railway Station and Mysore Road Kengeri. First 6.7 km 4.2 mi 6 station stretch of reach 1. Purple line between Paipanahalli and east of Mahatma Gandhi Road opened 20 October 2011. It was first inaugural function of Namma Metro and second for 6.4 km 4 mi 6 station stretch by reach 2 between Mysore Road and the Mahadi Road opened by 16 November 2015. Underground section of 4.8 km 3.0 mi stretch Kappan Park of Bangalore City Railway Station.